Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to post our Instagram story from PC. So let's begin the video. To get started, first open your Chrome browser and here search for instagram.com, and once you are there you have to open your account. Here I have to right click on anywhere in the page, and once I am there, and now I have to hit on the inspect element. This will open the developers tool panel. Next, look for a small icon on the developers panel that looks like a tablet or a smartphone. I'm going to click on it and it will convert my page into a mobile view. Now you will see a camera icon at the top of the page. Click on it and select the image or video you want to post. Now you have to add any desired effects to your story. Now you have to hit on the your story button. Congratulations, you have just posted an Instagram story from your PC. There are also third-party apps you can use to post your story. So that's how you can post your Instagram story on PC.